Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop Headway from sending emails. So if the Headway app just keeps on sending you those spammy emails, and here's how you can disable them. Well, first of all, what you want to do is you want to open the Headway app. You want to go to Profile, the bottom right corner of your screen, and now you want to go to the top right corner of your screen at Settings, and then Notifications, and you want to make sure that all these three notifications are disabled. Once you've done that, in order to actually stop those Gmail emails basically, what you want to do is you want to basically just enter into that email. So you want to open an email that keeps on spamming you. So for example, this Headway email just keeps on spamming. Then what you do is click on it, and you want to then scroll all the way to the bottom of this email, and it will say unsubscribe right here, where you can click on. And once you've opened that, you just need to select which browser you want to open it with, and then it should automatically unsubscribe you. As you guys can see, you can right now see you've successfully been unsubscribed, and that's literally all we need to do in order to stop emails from Headway. So if you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.